Hey guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. Today we are going to make Christmas holiday cookies. Christmas is just around the corner and it's perfect time to bake these cookies. In this one dough, you can prepare 5 to 6 varieties of cookies and it is eggless and it's super rich, super buttery and it tastes delicious. Let's get started. Before starting, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. In a bowl, add 250 grams of butter. Butter should be soft, not runny. Use wire whisk or hand mixer and beat this butter for about 1 minute. If you don't have hand mixer, use wire whisk and beat for about 2 minutes until it gets light and fluffy. Look at this. It's turning light and fluffy now. This is the perfect consistency. Scrape the bowl. To this add 100 grams of icing sugar. It's icing sugar, not normal sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again beat this for about 2 minutes until it gets light and fluffy. Beat at medium speed, not at high speed, or else it will become runny. Don't beat at high speed or it will get curdle also. Look at this. This is the perfect consistency. Turn off the mixer now. Look at this. Now scrape the bowl from the sides. Now add 300 grams of all-purpose flour and beat for about 30 seconds. Now switch to spatula and mix well. Mix well for about 1 minute. Do not over mix it or else the cookie may get hard. Now divide the dough into 4 parts, 150 gram each. First we are going to make sugar cookie. For that take 150 gram of dough and 20 gram of all-purpose flour and mix well. Mix well with spatula or use your hands and knead the dough. Now keep this in refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Next variety is red velvet. To this take 150 gram of dough, 10 gram of flour, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of red color and mix well. In this dough you can make gingerbread cookies or any type of cookies, peppermint cookies. Knead well with hands. Now keep this in refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Let's make the chocolate cookies. For chocolate cookie take 150 grams of dough, 10 gram of cocoa, 15 gram all-purpose flour, 10 gram icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk to knead the dough. And mix well with spatula or use hands to knead the dough. Better to use hands. Look at this. Dough is ready. Now keep this in refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Let's start making the sugar cookie. Take the sugar cookie dough from the fridge and use 2 parchment paper and roll like this. Use 2 parchment papers and roll evenly. Use any cookie cutter of your choice. Here I am using round heart shape and some stamps also. So you can use any cookie cutters. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes and bake this for about 10 to 12 minutes. Next variety I am going to pipe some cookies. For that take some dough into piping bag and make any shape as you want. Here I am making some S shape and some rosettes. Do as per your wish. Next red velvet cookie. take two parchment paper and keep the dough in center and roll it out evenly. Look at this. When you use parchment paper, the cookies will come out evenly, and use any cookie cutter of your choice and cut out the cookies. Look at this. And keep it in baking tray and bake this for about 10 to 12 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Next variety is chocolate cookies. Same thing, repeat the same procedure and cut out the cookies with cookie cutter. It's so simple and easy to make cookies. Our cookies are ready now. Look at this. I baked this for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let's decorate the cookies. First one, jam cookies. For that, take any jam of your choice and place it in center. Look at this. Our jam cookie is ready now. Next, I am going to drizzle some white chocolate on top of the cookies. You can decorate as per your wish. Here I am just decorating with some nuts and some chocolates. It's so simple and easy to make with only 4 ingredients. Look at this. It's so rich and buttery. Do try it and let me know how it is turned out for you. And please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.